In this episode, we would like to present you a tool that combines the world of digital practicality with real-world experiences. The tool is called Actionbound, and its aim is to take people on real-world treasure hunts and guided walks. You can make digitally interactive scavenger hunts to lead the learner on a path of discovery. The program quite literally augments our reality by enhancing people's real-life interaction whilst using their smartphones and tablets. You can create your app-based DIY escape game, a digital timeline of events, or a places of interest tour with the use of GPS coordinates and pre-placed codes and mysteries. Excellent for ice-breaking exercises, historical or archaeological sites, or more simply presenting a vision for the future. Gamifying the learning experience with elements and tools like GPS locations, directions, maps, compass, pictures, videos, quizzes, missions, tournaments, QR codes, and much more to create fun and exciting mobile app-based adventures. You could use it to let participants free in the museum and track their progress through it. Or maybe you are visiting a new city and can make a treasure hunt that gives the next assignment only when we are standing near the current one, so we can't cheat. You can easily make some simple projects to try it out for free, and they also have some good bundles for educators, non-for-profit educational institutions and such. Treasure Hunt is a powerful discovery tool, and making it interactive and sometimes competitive can really boost the engagement of participants. I hope this video helped you with what you do or inspired you to try something different. If you know of someone that something in these videos would make their job easier, share the video with them. And if you have some solutions you find useful that could help others, please share them with the community in the comments so we all can benefit from each other's experiences. And thank you for making this world a better place. Bye.